Most people fail with affiliate marketing because you're asking people to marry you right away, meaning they buy a higher end, a more expensive affiliate product from you. Instead, you want to start asking people to date you, but you don't do that with a bunch of free crap. I'm going to show you in this video how I sell cheap stuff, and then I use a community to nurture my customers into buying more high-end products. Because here's the facts that nobody wants to tell you and nobody wants to hear. But right now, trust is at an all-time low. Like, I mean all-time low. Nobody trusts the government. Nobody trusts their next door neighbor. And definitely nobody trusts a marketer. So if you're doing affiliate marketing and you're not getting any sales, it's probably because nobody trusts you. Let me show you exactly how I sell cheap stuff to get people's trust so that they know what I'm talking about. And then I use a community to explode my income, make 20, 30, 40K per month. If it's your first time on this channel, my name is the infamous Joel, and I've made over 7 figures online as an affiliate marketer after coming home in 2019 from a long stay in prison. So I'm not special, I'm not super smart, I'm just some guy, and I still made affiliate marketing work, and so you can too. Now, before we get started, most people that know me or have been in my circle, or especially my private clients, they know that this is my full system here. This is how I'm able to take someone that's brand new and have them hit 5K, 10K, 15K per month by using this system. And anyone that knows me knows I'm a big fan of Robert Kiyosaki and the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, where he talked about how a business is something that makes income without your input. If it doesn't do that, then you're just self-employed. And most affiliate marketers out here are just self-employed. So I built this system. And what you want to do is you want to start with something I call a hedge funnel. Okay, it's my system where I basically sell something really, really cheap. There are some order bumps and upsells in there to make the math work in case you were doing paid ads, but you could do this for free as well. Essentially, you want to push people into this really cheap product. Think about asking someone to buy an affiliate product from you and it's like $500, right? From the first time that you've ever seen them, have ever seen your content, anything like that, that's really hard to do. But if you ask them to pay $5, it's a lot easier to get that sale, especially if you're like offering a refund of some kind, okay, like a guarantee. And it's not hard to make this product. Now with AI, you can pretty much slap a product together in about 15 minutes, and you can check the link down below to make yours in 15 minutes or less. Once you get people into your ecosystem, this is where the magic really happens. And this is what everybody wants to skip, is you want to actually build a community, okay? Now, most affiliate marketers who've been doing this a long, long time, they'll tell you email is king. That means building up a list, an email list. People give you their emails and you send out a bunch of stuff, and hopefully you get some more affiliate sales from that. And that does work, but it doesn't work anywhere near as well as it used to. So anyone that's telling you, oh, it works amazing, I don't know. I totally disagree with that. Maybe I suck at email, I don't know, but it's just, it doesn't work as well. Have any of you ever bought anything from your email, just being slammed and bombarded by a bunch of emails and you click a link and buy something? It probably doesn't happen very often in your own life. So what makes you think it happens, you know, to you know, other people that you're marketing to? For me, it's helpful, but it's not like the main thing. For me, it's this guy here, the community. Building a community is huge. Think about human psychology. People love being part of a community. People love being part of a group. We're all a bunch of sheep, right? We all want to be part of a community, and we all want to, you know, find like-minded people. And so when you're an affiliate marketer, the best thing that you can do is to take your buyers and the people you've interacted with, get them into your community, and nurture them over time, okay? So you can see here the next part is nurturing content. I might post once a day. It takes me about 5 minutes. It's super simple. And in that process, you're just nurturing your customers, okay? You're nurturing people to buy from you again and again. Then I take those relationships and I might send out private messages and say, hey, Bob, how are you doing? I actually have a new promotion. I have a new thing. Because you've actually nurtured them, because they've gotten to know you, and more importantly, they've gotten to trust you, now it's 10 times more likely that they will buy from you again. And so we get to the profit funnel where primarily I like to sell monthly recurring products or high ticket products for commissions. And this is where it gets on easy mode, okay? This is where you start hitting 30, 40, 50, all the way up as far as you want. I honestly hit 150K in a single month at one point, and this is exactly what I was doing. Now I'm going to show you my actual communities where I did all this work and how I was able to make 7 figures using communities. But before I do that, if you want to learn what it's like to work privately with me and have me build you this hedge funnel that I just talked about, then go to the link down below, book a call with me or somebody from my team, and we'll talk about what that looks like and get you on the path to 6-7 figures in affiliate marketing. All right, back to the video. Now, as promised, here's one of my communities that I built It took me about 2 years to build this community. I did everything to it, mostly paid advertising. Paid advertising is probably my favorite way to get customers in the door. But you can see here that I built this community all the way up to 4.5 thousand members at the time of this recording. You can see all of the different videos and trainings and things I put in here. Over time, I would post things. I would let people know that something new is dropping. I gave people that's a crazy picture. I gave people advice. I told people like, here's my best tips, my best ways of doing things. Told people more about my story. And sometimes I would just like say something relatable or like talk about my day or my kids or something like that. It's really important to use a community to have people come together, and more importantly, to get to know you and to trust you, so that when you do put out an offer, you don't want to just like sell, okay? You don't want to do that every single day. But when you do put out an offer and say, hey, this really cool affiliate thing that I found, check this out, they're 10 times more likely to buy it, especially if they were already buyers in the past. That's why I like to sell something cheap up front. There's me showing some results that I had with another program. There's some more results that I had with another program. So this is why the power of a community is so great, is because over time you are warming up that audience. And anyone who's done marketing to any, big degree before, anyone who's even intermediate will tell you that a warm audience will buy from you so much more often than someone who's cold, meaning they don't know you, they don't trust you, you've never seen you before. They say, get the F out of here, right? They don't give a crap what you have to say. And that's why I take the time in here to warm up my audience. Now, I've since stopped doing Facebook groups because Facebook groups honestly are kind of dead. If you go into a Facebook group nowadays, you'll just see tumbleweeds roll by. And so this is my new community. You see, it's a lot smaller because I just started building it maybe a month or two ago, but it's up to 525 members. It's over here on a platform called School. And most of these people are buyers. They've already bought something from me that was really cheap using the hedge funnel strategy. And you can see from just this month alone that just passed by at the time of this recording, which was March, made a little over 10K, and I do this pretty consistently. 10K is like the floor. And I think mostly that's because it's a new community and I'm still nurturing that community. But you can see the strategy here is exactly the same. I'm still posting on pretty much a daily basis. I'm giving advice, talking about my life, celebrating wins from some of my clients. Because again, trust is at an all-time low. So if you're not working with the people that you're getting into your ecosystem, whether you're getting emails, you're doing organic marketing like promoting on Facebook or YouTube or something like that, you have to take people somewhere else, like a community where you can nurture them further. And that's where you really get good sales coming in. Now, if you want to learn more about how my hedge funnel strategy works, besides building a community on the back end of it, which is really smart, you'll want to watch this video right here where I go over how I use the hedge funnel to make 23K in 90 days strictly from paid ads. And that's pure profit. That's not even the amount that I made back immediately from running those ads. So watch that video and subscribe to the channel. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.